In my previous video, I mentioned that as we will be on the road for long duration of time, heart rate may increase. Since we are monitoring our heart rate, it is very important for us to understand that the heart rate may continue to increase at the same pace. So let's say your average heart rate is 140 when you run at a pace of 730 for 1 hour. There is a high chance that the heart rate may become 142, 145, 146 by the end of second hour. And it may rise to 150, 152 as you move into your third hour. And probably it may even reach 155, 160 when you are at the end of the fourth hour. Now, if the max heart rate for you is 160 and you're reaching 160 in your fourth hour, you're going to face tremendous lack of energy. So, what do we need to do? Two things, very important. One, we have to have water or a sip of water almost every 30 minutes. Very important. Try to keep a rule at least every 30 minutes. I have to have small sips of water. Water helps your energy level, also prevents cramps that can happen. Number two, since we are monitoring the heart rate, what it means is the more we spend time on the road, the more the body is going to heat. It's simple physics. In your first hour, the body is not very warmed up. So you may be running at 730 for 1 hour. In the second hour, you already run for 1 hour. The body is warmed up. And if you maintain the same pace, it may reach probably 142, 144. And it will continue to race high unless you don't make an attempt to cool it down. So, how do I cool down? Two things. One, we will need to reduce our pace. So if you are running at 730, try to run at a pace slower, which means run at 735, 740 if need be. So you can monitor your heart rate. So that's the one thing. So don't keep running at the same pace. Your heart rate may increase. Number two, the easiest way to cool down is take a bottle of water, apply it on your forehead and the lower back of your neck. Pour the water. Try to do this every 1 hour. And maybe after 2 hours, try to do it every 30 minutes. So apply water, pour water, have a sip of water, and move. And maybe after 3 hours, you may need to do it every 15 minutes. Check out your heart rate. If the body starts heating up a lot, you very soon will get exhausted, drained, dizzy, may get muscle cramp. So if you need to stop. Have a sip of water, put water and pour water, and then move on. Don't forget this thing. First 1 hour, maybe every 30 minutes. Second hour, maybe again 30 minutes. In the third hour, you may need to have Sip, apply, pour every 15 minutes. Monitor your time, your heart rate, and try to keep it in control. This is a preparatory trial run. 85 to 90% of your heart rate is our goal. All the best.